Water supply scheme includes huge costly structure which cannot be increased in their capacity or cannot be replaced. For this purpose, components of water supply scheme are made larger by estimating the future population. In this way, expansion of water supply scheme can be avoided by considering population forecast in the design of water supply scheme. If population increases, then demand of water also increases. Hence, water supply scheme is not designed for the present population, it is designed for the future population. To find the future population, some methods are used. In this video, I am going to explain the methods of forecasting of population. Hello my dear viewers, welcome to Simplified Civil and Geotechnical Engineering channel. I am Akshay Jaiswal. Today we will see methods of forecasting of population with their solved examples. First one method is arithmetical increase method, second one is geometrical increase method, and third method is combination of first two methods, that is incremental increase method. So let's see arithmetical increase method. Chapter number 1, Sources and Quality of Water. Lecture number 6, Solved Examples on Forecasting of Population, that is, Finding Future Population. Our first method is arithmetical increase method. First point, in this method, the increase in the population per unit time is assumed to be constant. Per unit time means decade is considered here, and meaning of one decade is 10 years. Thus, present population is denoted by P0. Next one is average increase. It is denoted by letter small d, and then population is denoted by Pn, that is population after n decades, and by using arithmetical increase method, population after n decades is given by the formula Pn is equal to Po plus n into d. Now we will see formula to find n, where n is number of decades in which we are going to find out future population. Formula is n is equal to future population minus last known population divided by 10. Future population means the year in which we want to find out the population, minus last known population means available data of population of last known decade. Example number 1. Find the population of the town after 3 decades by arithmetical increase method. Year and population is given. Now by using arithmetical increase method, we will solve this example. Present population is given by Po is equal to 9150. It is present population which is given in this table, that is last known population in year 2001 is 9150. Then population Pn after n decades is given by the formula Pn is equal to Po plus n into d. Now we will solve problem. According to this formula, Pn is equal to Po plus n into d. First we will find this d, and to find the value of this d we need to use table, and we need to find out increase in population, and then we will find average of last column. Now observe this table carefully. In year 1961, population was 4320. In 1971, population is 5200. Means in this 10 year, means in this one decade, we need to find out increase in population. And to find the increase in population, just take difference between these two population values, means 5200 minus 4320, we will get the value as 880. So we can say that increase in population from 1961 to 1971 is 880. Similarly, we need to find out increase in population between 1971 to 1981. Here increase in population can be determined by taking difference between these two values, that is 7120 minus 5200. We will get difference, that is 1920. Now we will find increase in population between 1981 to 1991. Again, we need to take difference between population values of these 2 years, that is 8000 minus 7120, and difference will be 880. So we can say that increase in population in this one decade is 880. And then we will find increase in population, it will be 9150 minus 8000, we will get 1150. Now we will take average of these four values. It will be the value of D. For taking average, just add 880, 1920, 880 and 1150, and after adding all these values, divide it by 4, as there are 4 values in this table, and total of this 4 number is 4830, and after dividing by 4 we will get the average, that is 1207.5. Increase in population per decade D is equal to 1207.5, and approximately we can say 1208. In question it is given that find out population after 3 decades, hence value of n will be 3, and our formula is Pn is equal to P0 plus n into D. Now we have to find out value of Pn after 3 decades. Then P0, we have value of P0, that is last known population from this table. We have value of n, that is 3 decades, and value of D, it is calculated here, that is 1208. By using all these values we can find out Pn, and that is 9150 plus 3 into 1208. We will get value of Pn, that is 12,774 is the population of town after 3 decades. Means population of year 2031 is 12,774. Now we will see method number 2, geometrical increase method, or it is also known as uniform increase method. Now let's see notations. Present population is given by PO, The rate of growth per decade is denoted by R, and the population after n decades is given by Pn, and formula is given by Pn is equal to Po into 1 plus R raised to n. Now example number 2, find the population of the town at the end of the year 2020 by geometrical increase method. Here table is given in which year and population is given. This data is provided and population in the year 2020 is to be calculated. Now we will solve the problem by using geometric increase method. Present population is P0, that is 57,500. It is last, or we can say latest known population. We can write this value from given table. Then population Pn after n decades is given by the formula Pn is equal to Po into 1 plus R raised to n, where Pn is population after n decades and Po is latest known population, R is rate of growth per decade, and n is number of decade in which we are going to find out future population. Now we need to find out increase in population from 1950 to 1960. So we will take difference between values of population, that is population in 1960 is 37,500 and population in 1950 was 35,000. So increase in population is given by 37,500 minus 35,000. It will be 2500. Then we need to find out increase in population from 1960 to 1970. It can be calculated by taking difference between these two population values. It will be 43,500 minus 37,500 and it will be 6,000. Now we need to find out difference between population in the year from the year 1970 to 1980. After taking difference between these two population values, we will get the increase in population. It is 8,500. And last one, increase in population from 1980 to 1990. It can be calculated by taking difference between these two population values. It will be 57,500 minus 52,000. We will get 5,500. Now we will find percentage increase in population. As percentage word is used here, we need to multiply by 100 and we will find this value just in the similar manner by which we use the percentage. To find percentage increase in first case, to find percentage increase in population, we will take this 2,500 and as we are finding percentage increase, we need to divide it by original value, that is 35,000, because population is increased from 35,000 to 37,500 and we are finding percentage increase. Hence we will divide 2500 by its original value, that is 35,000, and we need to multiply it by 100 because we are finding percentage increase. And after doing all these calculations, we will get the value as 7.14 in percentage. In similar way, we will do calculation for this second case. Increase in population is given by difference between these two, and it is 6000. So we will take 6000 here, and increase in population is from 37,500. So we are going to divide it by 37,500, and as we are finding percentage increase, again we will multiply it by 100, and after all this calculation we will get value as 16%. In this way we can find out for case number 3 and case number 4, that will be increase in population between these 2 years is 8500. So we will write 8500. Then increase in population is taken from 43500, so we will divide it by 43500, and percentage increase means we need to multiply it by 100, that will be 19.54. Similarly we can do it for last value, that is increase in population from 1980 to 90 is 5500, hence we will write 5500. Then increase in population is from 52,000, increase in population is from 52,000, hence we will divide it by 52,000, and as we are finding percentage increase in population, so multiply it by 100, and after all these calculations we will get percentage increase in population as 10.58. Now we will take average of this column. Here we will add this 7.14, 16%, 19.54%, 10.58%, and after adding these 4 values we will divide it by 4 because we are finding average. So add all these 4 values and divide it by 4, we will get total percentage increase R is equal to 53.26. Now we will find value of n, and to find the value of n, formula is future population minus last known population divided by 10. In question it is given that we need to find out population in year 2020, and last population given is for the year 1990, and we will take difference between these 2 years and divide it by 10. We will get value of n as 3. So our number of decades will be 3. Or simply we can find out value of n directly just by taking count from 1990 to 2020, that is one decade will be of 10 years, hence we will count it by the multiple of 10, that is 2000, then 2010, then last is 2020. So here 3 decades are completed. We can directly write value of n as 3. The population after n decades by using geometrical increase method is given by Pn is equal to P0 into 1 plus R raised to n. Here P0 is latest known population which is given in table, that is 57,500. Then 1 plus R, value of R is 13.315, which we have calculated in table, and we need to divide it by 100, and then value of n is 3, and after all calculations we will get value of Pn as 83,662, which is population of the town at the end of the year 2020. Here we completed second method of calculation, that is geometrical increase method. Now we will see method number 3, incremental increase method. This method is a combination of the first and second method. and formula is given by Pn is equal to Po plus Nx plus Ny into n plus 1 divided by 2, where Pn is equal to population after n decades from present. Pn means the year in which we are going to find out population. Next notation is x. X is average increase of population of known decades. Next notation is y. Y is average of incremental increase of the known decades. And last one notation is PO, that is present population, means last known population which is available from census data. Example number 3. Estimate the population of the town for the year 2031 and 2041 by incremental increase method. Here, to find increase in population, again we need to follow the same procedure, that is increase in population from 1991 to 2001. We can find out difference between these two values of population. We will take difference between these two values. It is 10,865 minus 9,876. We will get value as 989. Similarly, we will find increase in population from 2001 to 2011. We will take difference between population values, that is 11,509 minus 10,865. We will get 644, and last we will find increase in population from 2011 to 2021. Again, similarly, difference between these two population values, we will get 2343. Now we will take average of these three values. We will get total as 3976. We will get total as 3976. Now we will find incremental increase, and to find the incremental increase we just have to take difference between these two values, which is 644 minus 989. It will be minus 345. Now again we will take difference between these two values and we will get 1699. Now we will take average of this column. We have to add these two values and then divide it by 2. We will get 1354. Now we will find value of x and y. Now we will find x. X is average increase of population of known decades. It is also called as average per decade. We will get value of x by adding all values and divide it by 3. We will get value of x as 1325.3. Now we will find value of y, whereas y is average of incremental increase of the known decades. It is also known as average per decade. After adding all values of last column, we will get 1354 and divide them by 2. We will get average per decade, that is y equal to 677, and P0 is present population, that is given in table. We can say last known census value. Population in 2021 is 13,852. The population after n decades is given by the formula Pn is equal to P0 plus n into x plus n into y into n plus 1 divided by 2. To find value of n, formula is n is equal to future population minus last known population divided by 10. N for year 2031 is equal to 2031 minus 2021 divided by 10. We will get value of n as 1. By using this formula, we can find out the population in 2031, which is P 2031. P0 is 13,850. Value of n is 1 here. N into x will be 1 into 1325.33. Then ny, here n is 1 and y is 677. Then n plus 1 is 1 plus 1 and divided by 2, so we will divide it by 2, and after all calculations we will get final answer, that is population in 2031 is 13,855. In question it is also given that find the future population in 2041. So again we need to find value of n for the year 2041. N will be future population minus last known population divided by 10. We need to find population in 2041, so it will be our future population. So here we are writing 2041. Last known population is available for the year 2021. Hence we will write 2021 and divide it by 10. Then we will get value of n as 2. The formula to find the future population by using incremental increase method is Pn is equal to Po plus nx plus ny into n plus 1 divided by 2. So the population in 2041 is given by here P0, that is latest known population is 13,852, which is given in table. Now nx, value of n is 2, value of x is 1325.33, which we have calculated from table. So that is our nx. Then ny, value of n is 2 and value of y is calculated in table. And last we have n plus 1, that is 2 plus 1 and divided by 2. Here we are dividing it by 2, and after all calculations we will get value of population in 2041 as 18,534. Here we have covered our last method, that is incremental increase method of forecasting of population. Hope you like the explanation. Thanks for watching it completely. Please give your reviews in comment box.
Hope you like the information given in this video. If you are watching my channel for first time, then click on subscribe and share with all your friends. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.